I've spent my life giving treatments to women and understanding what they want. And one of the big problems that a lot of women would communicate to me when I used to give facial treatments was that they had no time to go to the gym. And as they got older and tried to juggle their children and their jobs and their relationships, it was harder and harder to stay in shape. So one day while I was sitting doing a panel discussion on cellulite and how to fight cellulite, especially as women got older, I was daydreaming and thought, what if we could put a flip-flop on your foot that would help to tone your legs when you walk in it? And after that, I went to a bunch of different universities and interviewed biomechanists from all over England and the UK, and eventually found someone named Dr. David Cook at the University of Southbank University in London, and he had an idea of how to build a flip-flop that would tone your legs when you walk in it. It was actually an idea that stemmed from physical therapy and from the micro-wobble board. And a micro-wobble board is a tool that physical therapists will use to help recondition and rehabilitate injured ankles, injured knees, injured feet. And he decided that it would be a great idea and it would give us a toning effect if we put a small micro-wobble board into each shoe. So when the person was wearing their shoes and walked along, their foot would wobble just ever so slightly, and that would create more tension in the muscles, which would in turn tone and trim the legs while you walked.
Vengo dal mondo della bellezza, ho lavorato anni fa come esperta in un centro estetico, mi occupavo di trattamenti viso soprattutto, e la cosa interessante era quella che volevo capire che cosa le donne volessero davvero. Le donne mi raccontavano di non avere assolutamente tempo per andare in palestra perché avevano troppo da fare, avevano da lavorare, dovevano seguire la famiglia, i figli, per cui ho pensato ad un modo per poter conciliare tutto questo. Un giorno poi ho partecipato ad un workshop sulla cellulite in cui si parlava dei vari rimedi possibili a questo problema che affligge quasi tutte le donne, e a quel punto mi si è accesa la lampadina e ho pensato: perché non inventare un paio di fit flops, cioè un paio di infradito in grado di allenare il proprio fisico mentre si cammina. A quel punto quindi ho cercato di entrare in contatto con alcuni esperti e biomeccanici sia in Inghilterra che nel Regno Unito, e ho incontrato il dottor David Cook della London Southbank University, che mi ha supportato trovando un modo per poter realizzare il mio sogno, e quindi ha sviluppato questo sistema grazie a questa micro wobble board technology, che si basa un po' sulla wobble board, uno strumento che viene utilizzato in fisioterapia per poter stimolare la guarigione in seguito ad esempio ad un infortunio sportivo. Quindi l'idea è nata dalla fisioterapia, da questa wobble board, e il dottor David Cook ha deciso quindi di inserire questa tecnologia in misura ridotta in una calzatura. Nel momento in cui si indossa questa calzatura, che ha 3 densità diverse, la muscolatura delle gambe è stimolata perché la muscolatura si contrae e quindi i muscoli lavorano più a lungo. Flop has been a great hit in the US and in the UK. Yes. Which are the celebrities wearing these shoes?
Well, since the beginning, we have been very lucky to have a lot of celebrities wearing our shoes, and normally we find out about it because of a paparazzi photo where we realize that the celebrity in question is in fact wearing our shoes. We have had everyone from Julianne Moore, who was spotted wearing a pair of our gladiator sandals in the 2nd season of Fit Flop, to Carly Simon, who is a very famous singer, to Ali Hewson, who is the wife of Bono, to J-Lo, who wears them all the time, to Hilary Swank, who is always in good shape, to, I've forgotten her name. See, I don't think about the celebrities every day, which is terrible. Jennifer Garner wears them also. So there's a lot. And Marcia Cross, the desperate housewife. Although you don't have to be desperate.
Dunque, sin dall'inizio siamo stati molto fortunati perché sono state diverse le celebrità ad aver indossato le nostre fit flop. Ad esempio andiamo da Julianne Moore, Carly Simon, J-Lo che le indossa praticamente sempre, Hilary Swank che è sempre in forma, Jennifer Garner e infine Marcia Cross di Desperate Housewives, che però non deve essere assolutamente disperata. Tell me something about 2010 Spring Summer Collection.
For our 2010 Spring and Summer Collection, we decided to focus on what women really love and what seemed to be a growing trend in terms of the traffic towards the FitFlop collection. Over the past 3 years and the 3 summers, we've experimented with different styles and really seen that women seem to love sporty styles, and they love things that are really classic and basic, but they also love sequins, they love sparkly things, and they love jewels and stones and flowers. So some of the big trends that are out this year are florals and our stones and jewels, and our sparkly Electra sandal has been incredibly popular, and it is our 3rd season with the Electra, but it's even bigger now than it was last year when we couldn't keep them on the shelves. We've launched a couple of studded sandals called the Rebel, just to get onto that last bit of the stud trend for those who love their studded accessories. And then we also had a flower sandal that was designed by us for Anna Sui, which unfortunately is not in Italy yet, but I'm sure it will be very soon. And we also decided to launch a beautiful new product called the Pietra, Italian inspired, with stones down the toe line, and it has sold out in a matter of weeks. So I think everybody's waiting for us to get more of those back in. Those that want their FitFlops seem to want several of them, so it seems that we have this growing fan base, and every time we launch a new style, they come back to get it. So we're just trying to come up with more and more different styles so they have a sandal for every occasion.
Per quanto riguarda la stagione primavera-estate 2010, posso dire che sicuramente ci siamo concentrati su quello che le donne amano, su quelle che saranno le prossime tendenze. Negli ultimi 3 anni abbiamo lanciato degli stili molto diversi tra di loro, e comunque abbiamo scoperto che le donne amano molto gli articoli sportivi, base, molto minimal, ma amano anche le paillette, i gioielli, le pietre, i fiori. Ad esempio questa è la 3ª stagione per il nostro modello Electra, che ha riscosso molto successo. Abbiamo anche lanciato una serie di sandali borchiati, si chiamano Rebel, e li abbiamo lanciati proprio per testare questa nuova tendenza. In più abbiamo lanciato anche un modello ricoperto da fiori per Anna Sui, che però non è ancora in Italia, e il modello Pietra, che presenta delle pietre gioiello ed è molto molto elegante, e che sarà presentato in Italia tra poche settimane. Insomma, speriamo di lanciare in futuro sempre nuovi stili, perché vengono comunque sempre accolti con grande entusiasmo dalle donne.